Chapter 9.1 Class and Object in Pygame 0. 1. Object-Oriented Programming. Let's learn Object-Oriented Programming.
What is the object-oriented programming?
Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP, is a programming paradigm in computer science that relies on the concept of classes and objects. It is used to structure a software program into simple, reusable pieces of code blueprints, usually called classes, which are used to create individual instances of objects.
What is a class?
A class is a template code that helps you to repeat an action every time you need to do it without recreating or repeating that particular portion of code. As a template, we have to prepare our class with all its settings and abilities.
What is an object?
Objects are simply what you can create out of class. They have all the characteristics defined in the class.
What is an instance?
Instance is a specific realization of any object. An object may be different in several ways, and each realized variation of that object is an instance. The creation of a realized instance is called instantiation.
What is the relationship between class, object, and instance?
We can think of a class as a sketch of a house. It contains all of the details about the floors, doors, windows, etc. Based on these descriptions, we build the house. House is the object. As many houses can be made from a house's blueprint, we can create many objects from a class, and we refer to a particular object as an instance.